Sometimes I don't trust myself. I'm very bad in directions.
If I took away email, text, the main thing I would need is GPS.
We place a lot of trust in GPS.
Oh yeah, all the time.
So easy, right?
I always get lost.
How trusting your GPS can make you famous in Iceland. This is a true story about an American tourist who got so spectacularly lost in Iceland that he ended up becoming a national celebrity. But before we get into that, it's important to know how we got here. GPS actually goes back to the space race when U.S. scientists realized they could track Sputnik by listening to its radio signals as it orbited Earth. A little reverse engineering, and the foundation of GPS was born. First used by the Navy to track submarines, it took hours to receive a signal. This paved the way for TomToms, Google Maps, and of course your smartphone to tell you where that new dim sum place is. Now there are 28 satellites that can pinpoint your location anywhere in the world. But this new convenience came at a cost. By allowing devices to take total control of navigation, we started to train our brains to ignore real-world cues. Which brings us back to this guy. After entering a small typo in his GPS and blindly following the turn-by-turn instructions for over 6 hours, he ended up in a remote fishing village and became an instant celebrity, nicknamed the Lost Tourist. The story of his GPS mishap spread across the country. He was interviewed on TV and radio. People even drove from all over the country to meet him and simply asked, "What the farfanugan?"
That's amazing. I thought that was going to end terribly. That's a better story. Yeah.
This super simple story is brought to you by Setapp, the easiest way to find all your favorite Mac apps without feeling like you're lost in Iceland.